See you in Bali. And I'll see you next year in Jakarta for sure because you're gonna come to Putri. Right? Of course. Video. No crying. Bye bye. I'll get my.
So mga kapolitika, inyo pong napanood ang mga latest na mga video clip ni Miss Supranational 2026 Katrina Ligado dito sa pamamaalam niya sa kanyang isa sa mga kaibigan niya dito sa Miss Supranational na si Agnes Raching, dahil ngayon po ang departure ng ilan sa mga candidate at nagsisiuwian na ang mga candidate ng Miss Supranational na dumalo dito sa beauty pageant competition na ito para ngayong taon. So bigyan natin ng reaksyon itong pagyakap at pamamaalam ni Agnes dito kay Katrina, dahil nakaka-touch mga kapolitika. Makikita natin, masasabi natin at mararamdaman natin na talagang very genuine itong si Agnes dito kay Katrina. Ang sabi nga ng ating mga netizen, ang nagbabardagulan at nag-aaway lang daw is yung mga supporters dito sa mundo ng social media, pero in reality naman yung mga competitors, yung mga representatives at mga candidates ay they are friends in reality. So yung mga fans lang talaga kasi gusto ng mga fans na yung mga sinusuportahan nila ay mananalo sa isa't isa. So dito is niyakap ni Agnes at nagyakapan silang dalawa dito sa pamamaalam ni Katrina, at kikita natin, mararamdaman natin na talagang genuine at tunay na kaibigan itong si Agnes ni Katrina Ligado. So we are hoping na makikita rin natin itong si Agnes sa ibang mga beauty pageant competition kung sakali siya ay sasali, dahil nakabuild naman na siya ng support at yung kanyang pangalan is umingay rin actually dito sa Miss Supranational. So kung siya ay sasali sa ibang mga beauty pageant, at least is marami na rin ang nakakilala sa kanya. Okay? So ang second clip ng video mga kapolitika ay si Katrina Ligado. Nag-judge siya dito sa isang event sa Poland. Queen Kat is one of the judges for Miss Polski 2026. Together with her is Miss Polski 2025 Olivia. Before the competition starts, they have some time to film while singing. So nag-judge itong si Katrina Ligado kasama itong Miss Poland 2025. Okay, so magiliw at talagang mabait rin yung mga polish sa kanya. Mahal na mahal si Katrina ng mga polish, and we hope na hindi siya pababayaan ng organization all throughout, dahil yung kabaitan ni Katrina sana isuklian rin ng organization dito sa kanyang termino bilang Miss Supranational 2026. So at aside dito sa mga polish, si Catherine po pala itong si Katrina dito sa Poland, dahil marami ang mga nagsabi na talagang yung behavior ni Katrina napaka-humble, napakabait, which is importante yun mga kapolitika dito sa mga ina-applyan nila ng mga beauty pageant competition, ay parang nag-a-apply ka lang din ng trabaho. So tinitingnan yung personality mo, yung behavior, pinaka-importante yun, dahil maging ambassador ka, maging mukha ka nitong kumpanya na pinagtatrabahuan mo. So napakaraming mga applicants, maraming mga nag-a-apply, pero ikaw yung na-hire ng organization. So napakagandang napakagandang opportunity, napakagandang chance na ikaw yung napili, dahil nga yung nakitaan ka ng potential, malaking potential na makatulong para sa kanila, dahil ikaw yung maging mukha or ambassador ng kanilang organization, which is itong Miss Supra. So katulad lang din yan sa nag-a-apply ka ng trabaho, yung personality mo, kinikilatis sila, yung ugali, kung meron ka bang mga issues. So ganun yun mga kapolitika. So ibig sabihin si Katrina ay pumasa sa screening ng Miss Supranational. Mukhang minahal nila pagkapanalo ni Kat. Grabe sa comment section, kaya daw nanalo si Kat. Ang Pilipinas daw, once makahawak ng microphone, siguraduhin laging pumapasok dahil sa Q&A. At isa pa, one thing na may kaibigan sila sa Filipino, maganda daw ugali kaya impressive and proud ang ibang Pinoy pagkapanalo dahil maganda daw makipagkaibigan. Sila sa Pinoy sa Thai, magaling daw magsalita at ugali in real life. So, ang concept ng sinabi niya mga kapolitika, although medyo nakakalito, ay maganda ang ugali ng mga Pilipino at aside sa ugali ay magaling rin sa Q&A ang mga Pinoy at mga Pinay. Kung kaya daw ay nananalo yung mga Pilipino, most especially dito sa larangan ng beauty pageant. Okay, so patuloy po nating subaybayan si Katrina at patuloy po nating suportahan ang kanyang mga post, kanyang mga videos dito sa Miss Supranational bilang pagsuporta po dito sa kanyang pagkapanalo dahil karangalan ng Pilipinas ang dinala ni Katrina dito sa international stage sa Miss Supranational na ginanap sa bansang Poland. Okay, so ano po ang maging reaksyon nyo mga kapolitika dito sa very touching moment ni Katrina at ni Agnes Rahajing sa pamaalam niya or departure sa Miss Supranational? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At narito naman po ang throwback video ni Agnes Rahajing dito sa interview portion ng Miss Supranational 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for Miss Supranational Indonesia. How are you, Agnes?
I feel amazing. Thank you so much for putting me aside.
know.
I feel amazing, but I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a little bit nervous, and I'm just so excited to talk to everyone.
Yes, understandable. The nerves just means that you care, right?
Yes.
Of course. Okay, so going into the closed-door interview, very important moment in the competition. What is one thing you want the judges to know about you?
Ooh, okay. One thing I want the judges to know about me is that I am a very passionate person. I have a lot of love for everything around me, for my family, for my work, for my friends, for everything that I do. And I think that's what I really want to show, that it might sound really cliche, but I think love is just such a beautiful thing, and I wish to be that channel of love for everything around me.
Amazing. Okay, so what is one topic that is very near and dear to your heart that you absolutely want to talk about during the interview?
Ooh, there's so many. I feel like 3 minutes isn't enough. I just want to talk about everything in the interview.
Yes.
But I think for me, I really want to talk about how passionate I am about my For the Ground Up project, which is Rahajang Closet, and how we support children around Indonesia to have access to education. I think that can never be over talked about. I think education is really, really important for any nation and for any human being to really survive, you know?
Yes.
And it's just really heartbreaking how millions of children are still out of school, especially in Indonesia. And I'm sure that there are many cases of like this around the world. And so I think education really is a human right. It shouldn't be a luxury, and it should be free access to all. And that's what I'm really passionate about. And I'm just really glad that I have the opportunity to support these kids with the initiative that I built with my sisters.
That's amazing. I know you'll do great talking about all of this, and I hope the
you.
judges will appreciate your presentation. But before I let you go, I want to ask you about your look today, because you look incredible.
much.
Look at her, everyone. Okay. So please tell me about this look in particular.
Absolutely. So what I'm wearing right now, this is a modern beskap. It's from Kak Yosafat Kurniawan. Thank you so much, Kak Yos. I absolutely love this. This is custom made, and I paired it with this beautiful purple batik from Garuda Kencana. You can see the batik and also the little gold details. I absolutely love it. And then for the jewelry, obviously, ko Rinaldi Yunardi. I love the earrings, the little head accessory, and I'm also wearing this little brooch.
I love
That's
it.
all.
Well, thank you so much, Agnes. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You got this. I know you will ace the interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.